Hello, Tiny Tykes! Are you ready for an underwater adventure? Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to meet some amazing sea creatures. Put your swim fins on and let's jump into the big blue sea. First up, we have the playful dolphin. Did you know dolphins are super smart? They use clicks and whistles to talk to each other, kind of like we use words. Next, let's meet the gentle giant of the sea, the blue whale. Blue whales are the biggest animals on Earth. They're as long as 2 school buses put together and love eating tiny shrimp called krill. Look at all these amazing colors. Here's a starfish. They don't have a brain or blood, but they can grow their arms back if one gets hurt. Wow, take a look at this clownfish. Did you know clownfish live in sea anemones, which protect them from other fish? Now let's meet the sea turtle, a true ocean traveler. Sea turtles can hold their breath for hours while resting, and some species even travel thousands of miles across the ocean during their lifetime. Thanks for joining us on this ocean quest. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and learning. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the world. We'll see you in the next video.